Hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight, and today we're at Metro supermarket in Paralimni, and we're going to go straight up to the top floor. We've got fantastic escalators. Okay, so our first port of call is the hat section. We're going to go down to the hat section. Okay Jules, we're going to pick up a new hat for you. There you are. Brian bought you a hat while he was out here, and unfortunately you lost it while in England, so we'll pick up another one for you and get it posted. Now, which one is it? Oh, there's lots of hats. Do we know what it looks like? Right, so here's the hats, and let's have a look what's available now. There's this pink one here, that's quite nice. Or the one with, no, you don't want that one. Or that one there. Let's see if we can got a more girls type one.
Nabbit.
There we are. That one. And that one there. Okay. I think that's all the girly ones there are. And that one. Right, so let's have a look around. I've got a picture of the one that Jules has lost. Have a look. There's some more hats over here. No, there's nothing there. It's got mesh on the back. No, not here. Yes, I could see a picture of it. Yep, it's not here. Right, so we'll have to contact Bri and see if he wants an alternative. There is an alternative just here. Look, it's got the mesh on the back. It's got Cyprus written on it. It's quite good quality. Oh, he's come back to us straight away, and he'd like this one. There we are. It's quite a nice one. So we'll pick that up for you and get it sent off to England.
Hi, my name is Bri. A few months ago, myself and my partner Julie were in Cyprus. Hadn't been able to get there for obvious reasons the past couple of years, like most people. And for the first time ever, brought back a souvenir. Well, she did. And it was a baseball cap with Cyprus on the front. She wore that thing everywhere, driving, walking the dog, shopping, etc. And then all of a sudden, lost it. Just simply lost it, became mislaid. So I set George and Sue of Cyprus Insight a mini task and asked them if they could help out, as we tried online and everywhere to get one and couldn't, because obviously it was just one of these holiday type caps. So they recently sent us this, and I'm about to surprise Julie. Jules, sorry to interrupt, but there's a gift for you from George and Sue of Cyprus Insight.
Hi George and Sue, Cyprus Insight. Thank you so much for this. Hope to see you next year where we can hopefully have some slow beers and some delish food. Take care.